God. Ah. Yeah, my face, man.
Look how they throwing people out here. Got him bleed on the ground. He crying and shit. That's sick.
Please. Please. Please, I can't breathe. Please, man. Please, somebody help me.
Well, you got him down, man. Let him breathe, at least, man.
I can't breathe.
I've been trying to help out. So you breathe a little bit more. Hand neck, man. One of my homies died. He went back home.
I'm about to die to see.
Relax.
Man, I can't breathe my face. Just get up.
What do you want?
I can't breathe. Please, the knee in my neck. I can't breathe.
Bro, get up, get in the car, man.
I will.
Get up, get in the car.
I can't move.
I've been waiting the whole time, man. Get up, get in the car.
Mama.
Get up and get in the car right.
I can't.
I gave y'all the opportunity to get in, bro. I told you, you can't win.
My knee.
You can't win, man.
I'm through.
I know you're a nigga, you didn't listen.
I'm claustrophobic. My stomach hurts. My neck hurts. Everything hurts. Get some water or something. Please. Please. I can't breathe, officer.
Shut up.
They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me, man.
Bro, with your feet on his neck, man, you get out the car.
His nose is bleeding. Like,
yeah,
come on now.
That's raw right there with his feet on his neck.
Look at his nose.
You just sitting your knee on his neck.
Yeah, you got your feet right on his neck.
He ain't even resisting arrest.
I cannot breathe.
You just a grown, you're a tough guy. You're a tough guy, huh? I say you're a tough guy. You're not even resisting arrest, bro.
His whole nose is bleeding.
Fight with him?
Bro, but why you just sitting there? He ain't doing nothing now. Put him in the car.
They'll kill me.
How long y'all gotta hold him down?
This is why you don't do drugs, kids.
It ain't about drugs, bro. Y'all understand
Yeah,
that?
y'all don't gotta put y'all
his neck, bro.
right.
He is human, bro.
His nose is
But I'm saying you
bleeding.
can put him in the car. That's some
We
bum
tried
ass
that
shit.
for 10 minutes.
That's some bum ass bro. That's some bum ass bro. Y'all know that. You don't gotta sit there with your knee on his neck, bro.
He's talking, he's fine.
Bro, he ain't fine, bro.
Alright, we're done.
You circulate like in a jiu-jitsu move, bro. You trapped in his breathing right there, bro.
Okay.
Like you don't think that what it is, bro? You don't think nobody understands that right there, bro? I trained at the academy, bro. That's some bullshit.
Okay.
Right, that's bullshit, bro. That's bullshit, bro.
Please.
You stopping his breathing right there, bro.
I can't breathe.
Okay, he's talking. It's
He's
hard to talk
talking.
when you,
Bro, but you could get him off the ground. You've been a bum right now. You could get him off the ground, bro. You could get him off the ground. You've been a bum right now. He enjoying that. He enjoying that. He enjoying that. Bum, bro. He enjoying that right now, bro. You could have put him in the car by now, bro. He's not resisting arrest or nothing. You enjoying it. Look at you. Your body language explains it, you bum.
Bro, get the off of here.
It's the whites. They love
But
doing that to the
no, I
black people.
already know that, bro. I trained with half of these bum ass dudes at the academy, bro. You know that's bogus right now, bro. You know it's bogus. You can't even look at me like a man because you a bum, bro. He's not even resisting arrest right now, bro.
His nose is bleeding.
You stopping his breathing right now, bro. You think that's cool? You think that's cool
really
though,
not.
right? What's your oh man, what's your badge number, bro? You think that's
Honestly.
cool right now, bro?
As long as you don't call the police on another police.
You think that's cool though, bro? You're a bum, bro. You're a bum for that. You're a bum for that, bro. You can't. You getting mad? You just sitting there stopping his breathing right
Look
now.
at
The dude
him.
about to go out, bro.
Look at
Bro.
him.
So you
Get off of him now.
You
What is
gonna
wrong
choke
with
him
y'all?
like that?
What the? He got mace. He got mace. He cannot breathe. Get over here. No, first of all.
Bro, look, well, you can check on him. He's not responsive right now. He's not responsive
Look at him.
right now.
Get off the street.
He's not responsive right now.
You would know.
He's not responsive right now. He's not responsive right now, bro. No, bro, look at him. He's not responsive right now, bro.
Check for a pulse.
Bro, are you serious? You gonna just let him sit there with that on
Let
his
me
neck,
see a
bro?
pulse.
Is he breathing right now? Check his
Hold on,
pulse.
have this conversation.
Check his pulse.
Okay.
Check his pulse, Tal.
I'm
Tal,
telling you
check
right
his
now,
pulse.
check his pulse.
Tal, check his pulse, bro.
Look at this dude.
Bro, check his pulse, bro. You
He's
bogus,
just
bro.
laying
Don't do
You
drugs,
bogus.
guys.
Don't do drugs, bro. What is that? What do you think that is? You call what he doing okay?
Get back
You
on the
call what
street.
he doing okay? You call what you do? You call what he doing okay,
Are you
bro?
really a firefighter?
Yes,
Bro.
I am from Minneapolis.
Okay.
Bro, you think that's okay? Check his pulse.
Check it right
Tal, check his
now.
pulse.
Get back on the
Check.
street.
The man ain't moved yet, bro. The man ain't moved yet, bro.
Okay. Where?
Minneapolis.
Okay.
Bro, you're a bum, bro. You're a bum, bro. You're
Check his
definitely
pulse
a
right
bum,
now. Tell me
bro.
what it is. Tell me what his pulse is right now.
Check
Swear
the
to God.
pulse. Bro, he has not moved not one time.
He's
bro.
off. He's off crack right now. He's
But bro, go back in the store, bro. You don't understand.
No,
bro.
I'm the reason.
Okay, that's cool. Go back in the store, bro. Go back in the store, bro. He's not moving.
I see that,
bro.
I'm trying to help y'all out,
Bro, you don't need to help me out, bro. I know your parents. I know everybody that owns the store. You don't need to help me out, bro. He's not moving right now, bro.
I just saw that, man.
Bro, he was just moving when I walked up here.
And I know. And then they did that to
You
him.
just
They did
got
that
out.
to
You
him.
just got back out here, bro.
I've been watching it the
bro,
whole time
you
through
just
the
got
camera.
back out here,
You
bro.
guys right now.
Bro, he doesn't have it, bro. He's not moving,
So did they kill him, bro?
bro.
They
Bro,
just killed him
what
or
is you,
something.
1087, bro? You're a
Oh
bum,
my
bro. Or
God, bro.
987, bro. You're a bum.
was just
First thing you
alive.
want to grab is your mace because you scared, bro. Scared of minorities, you bum, bro.
3 minutes.
Like, bro, 3 minutes, bro. He's not moving. Bro, he's not even moving. Get off of his neck, bro. Get off of his neck.
on him, bro.
Yes, look at that,
Back on the
bro.
street.
Are you serious? Bro, are you serious? And you gonna keep your thing on your neck? Yeah, I bet you. Bro, it's,
I don't think you touch him.
bro, I barely touch me like that, dude. I swear I'll slap the fuck out of both of y'all.
I didn't want to call the ambulance.
Bro, he's just gonna let him keep his hand on his neck, bro? You're a bitch, bro. Tal, you gonna let him keep that like that? You gonna let him kill that man in front of you, bro? Huh? Huh?
Like what?
Bro, he's not even moving right now, bro. He's not even out.
This is
Bro,
what it is. We gotta deal with this shit.
bro,
They're not gonna help us, bro.
Get on the
Right, he black. They don't care.
987, you're a
If it
bum,
ain't they
bro.
people, they don't care, bro.
You gonna just sit there with your knee on his neck, bro? You a real man for that, bro. He ain't handcuffed,
Look at him.
bro.
Just
You
sitting
a real man, bro.
Listen,
You a real man, bro.
I'm a first
I trained
responder
with
from
these
Minneapolis.
brothers,
The fact that you guys aren't checking his pulse and doing compressions if he needs that, you guys are on
Oh
another
my
level.
God, bro.
And then he just gonna
Okay.
pull him
They
up
just
there like
dragging
that,
him
bro.
like, come
Yeah,
on
and
now.
I have your name tag.
That's not very professional.
It don't matter. So what? Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech, fuck.
Back on the street.
Don't touch him.
Don't touch
I got
me.
this all on camera. Watch out.
Don't touch me again.
Don't touch
You
me.
touched him. You went to him. So shut up.
I've been the whole time.
You went to him. Y'all always trying to start
Bro,
something.
don't ever touch me, bro.
I ain't said a word. Having that thing.
Like you bogus, bro. You damn near dead, bro. Dead, bro.
I appreciate that. You're wrong now, bro. You're wrong now, bro.
They both get shredded.
They just killed
How
him.
you know that, bro?
You should go to jail.
Did not.
Tal, you know that's bogus.
What's that
bro.
badge number?
You know that's broken.
Wrong how you
Tal.
coming at people.
Oh,
Tal,
okay.
you know that's
You're wrong how
bogus,
you
right,
coming at
bro?
people.
Oh, okay.
In that
He's such a man, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Him
You
too.
could at least lifted him up off the ground, bro. We wouldn't even trip, bro. Yeah, 987. You just killed that, bro. You just
Y'all
killed
just
him,
really
bro.
just killed that man.
You just really killed that man, bro.
And if he not dead, he
really
close
killed
to
that
death.
man,
That's
bro.
crazy.
You just really killed that man, bro. Bro, you just killed that man, bro.
This the number of the
987,
police
bro.
car. All of that.
Bro. Dang, bro, you bogus. You know that, bro. You know you bogus. That's why you can't even look like a man, bro. That's why you can't speak right
You guys
now.
want something with the car? Say again? You guys want something
That
with
shit
that car?
bogus, bro. You such a man. You about to have dreams at night, bro. You gonna fuck around and shoot yourself. That's what you gonna do.
He's the one right there needs to go to jail. Because he's about to not he's stopping his breathing.
Just stop pretty much. Just stop the whole man breathing. Just killed him outside, bro.
And y'all walking away and not doing nothing.
I just hate you to get the foot out of the thing. I know you resist.
Black you up.